and welcome to the Magic Kingdom, where dreams come true, even on a rainy day. Our adventure begins as droplets dance on Main Street, USA. Despite the weather, the magic of this place shines bright. But our journey doesn't end here. Oh no, it's just the beginning. Welcome to Adventureland, where every step is a thrill and every moment an adventure. From the swaying palms to the call of exotic birds, this land is alive with excitement. In Adventureland, there is no shortage of excitement or wonder. So grab your hat, hold on to your map, and get ready for the adventure of a lifetime. Here are the ride wait times just after opening on a rainy Saturday. Gather around for an announcement that will surely set your hearts aflutter with excitement. This summer, prepare to be whisked away on a magical journey unlike any other as Tiana's Bayou adventure opens in the park. Step into the enchanting world of Princess Tiana from Disney's Princess and the Frog, where the mystical beauty and Bayou comes to life all in its splendor. Immerse yourself in the vibrant culture and rich heritage of New Orleans as you embark on an unforgettable adventure alongside Tiana and her friends. So mark your calendars and get ready to join Princess Tiana on the adventure of a lifetime as Tiana's Bayou Adventure opens its doors this summer. Yee-haw, thrill seekers! Hold on to your hats and tighten those bootstraps because we're about to embark on the wildest ride in the wilderness, Big Thunder Mountain Railroad. Nestled in the heart of Frontierland, this legendary roller coaster takes you on a high-speed adventure through the rugged canyons and the mysterious caverns of the Old West. partners, and welcome to the untamed frontier of Frontierland. Here amidst the rugged terrain and the spirit of the Wild West, adventurers of all ages have found thrills and excitement for generations. But as the sun sets on one era, another begins. We bid fond farewell to the iconic attraction, the Country Bear Jamboree, closing its doors after decades of knee-slapping humor and toe-tapping tunes. Despite rumors of retirement, our dear Country Bears aren't quite ready to ride off into the sunset, and who can blame them? There is so much laughter to be shared and memories to be made. It is just before 11 a.m. and the Haunted Mansion is on a 45-minute wait. Looks like everybody's still excited to see the Hatbox Ghost. Welcome, mortals, to Memento Mori, where the spirits of the Halloween linger long after the sun sets. This is where the enchanting world of Disney's Haunted Mansion comes to life, nestled in the shadow of the mansion itself. The store is a haven for those who dare to delve in the supernatural. You'll find yourself surrounded by a captivating array of merchandise inspired by the iconic attraction. From the sinister souvenirs to ghoulish gifts, Memento Mori offers a treasure of haunted delights for fans of the Haunted Mansion. Adorn yourself with attire fit for a ghostly gathering, or bring the spirit of the mansion home with your haunting housewares and decor. Be sure to capture your own special memories. For this haunted emporium, every moment is a Memento Mori. Hurry back, and be sure to bring your death certificate. Mwahahahaha! All aboard, thrill seekers. Our journey begins here at Frontierland Station, where the excitement of the Wild West awaits.
If you're just joining us, a hearty welcome aboard. We're heading for our next stop, Fantasyland, at the train. And as always, keep an eye on your little ones.
But hold on to your hat, folks, because our next destination is in the future. That's right, we're making our way over to Tomorrowland to experience the thrill of Tron Lightcycle Power Run. Follow the path of innovation and excitement as we journey from the Old West to the cutting-edge technology of Tomorrowland.
championship performance and victory for Team Blue.
Thank you guys so much for joining me today at the Magic Kingdom. If you like this video, give it a like. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification so you'll be reminded when I post future videos like this.